Everyone wants a shortcut that actually works, but the world of weight loss is littered with broken promises and empty bottles. You see these ads for things like advanced appetite regulation, and your brain immediately starts looking for a way out of the hard work. There is a platform called Noneedles that is getting a lot of attention right now because it targets the one thing everyone hates about modern medical weight loss. It promises the results of those high-powered clinical treatments without the actual needles or the expensive doctor visits. It sounds like the perfect middle ground for someone who is tired of feeling hungry all the time. But we have to look at what is actually happening behind the glossy website. This is not a single miracle pill. It is a system that usually relies on supplements or alternative ways to get ingredients into your body. The problem is that true appetite suppression is a complex biological process. It involves hormones that tell your brain when you are full. Real medical treatments for this are highly regulated. They change your internal chemistry under the watchful eye of a professional. When you move to an online service that avoids the medical route, you are often stepping into a world of underdosed ingredients. These products use words like advanced or effortless because they know that is what people want to hear. If you look closely, many of these solutions lack the clinical backing to prove they do anything significant at all. You might get a slight nudge in the right direction. You are definitely not getting a biological override of your hunger. The transparency just isn't there. They rarely show you the exact data or the long-term studies. You are paying a premium price for the convenience of not seeing a doctor. You are paying for a brand name and a slick marketing funnel. Most users end up disappointed because they expect the dramatic results they see in the news. Instead, they get a mild supplement that feels like any other bottle you could buy at a local health store. It is likely not a scam in the legal sense. They will send you a product. They will provide a program. But the value is highly questionable when compared to the cost. True health isn't something you can just subscribe to and forget about. Even the most powerful drugs out there require you to change your habits and your diet. Any platform that tells you otherwise is selling a fantasy. You have to weigh the risk against the reward. You are spending significant money on a low certainty outcome. It might be better to focus on the things you can control for free. Don't let the fear of needles drive you into a spending trap that doesn't deliver. Real progress is about consistency and understanding how your body works. It is not about finding the one secret website that has figured out a way around the rules of biology. It is so easy to get caught up in the promise of a painless solution. We want to believe that science has finally caught up to our desires. But the reality is that the human body is stubborn. It doesn't give up its energy stores without a fight. If a website claims to have the secret key to your metabolism without any medical oversight, your alarm bell should be ringing loudly. This specific service leans heavily on the convenience factor. They fill that gap with marketing that feels modern and approachable. But look at the ingredients list. You will see things that have been around for decades. These are not new discoveries. They are just repackaged for a new generation of consumers. Don't trade your hard-earned money for a slick presentation and a catchy name. Stay skeptical and stay focused on the fundamentals that actually produce lasting results.